I will be at your wedding. We will both be at your wedding. And we will be there and watch you. Izzy.
Yes, finally.
How are you?
Finally, I have got it. Oh,
I know,
goodness.
you've been waiting for like 2 hours.
Oh my goodness.
We've been waiting for you. Oh, that hurts.
Yeah, I have been waiting for you
How
for a
are
long
you?
time.
You're so handsome.
Oh goodness, what do you say?
You're so handsome.
Oh really?
Yes.
Oh, I know.
I love your smile. Your smile is so pretty.
Oh good.
Yeah.
What have you been
No,
saying?
for real though. You have such a pretty smile. Okay.
You're from Canada?
Canada.
Canada, yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, cool. Bangladesh. We'd love to do your reading. You were such a positive, like, you're definitely, like, a positive light. I want to do your reading for sure. I think that you have, like, a lot of good energy around you.
Definitely, I do support you and I am really interested.
For sure. Okay. Maybe she's doing your readings.
No.
Oh.
She's like, don't expose me.
Yeah.
That's great. I'm going to show these cards once more. So this is the Two of Pentacles, was all about balance.
Yeah.
And you can kind of see the infinity sign there and just kind of emphasizing that you can permanently have that balance. And then with the Two of Swords, it's all about, like, you can see they're kind of blind and they're not really knowing which way to take. But with that Two of Pentacles, what I've just shown you, it's like you can take both directions in that area as long as you balance them.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm getting a lot of energy from you. A lot.
Oh, really?
The first thing I want to say, you see this one woman that you've known for a good amount of time. She's almost like been around. Your family knows her. Your family will more likely be accepting to this woman, and just like more like loving. But I do see this other woman that's there too, that you really have this compassionate relationship towards, and I see this relationship going like very far in life if you let it go that far. It's just the barriers at first. So the barriers that I'm seeing is family stuff. That's all I'm seeing. I'm seeing family stuff from both angles.
Oh my goodness! What? Are you an astrologer?
I'm an astrologer a bit, yes.
Oh my goodness!
So I am letting you know.
You are completely 100% right. 100% right. You were talking about my life. How interesting it is. I'm really astonished. I'm really astonished by you.
Well, that makes me happy.
I'm so
that
happy.
makes me happy because I do see this woman. And I'm just letting you know. I'm letting you know now just because you're young. And I just want you to know before you... Sorry. Before you make any major decisions, though, there's two women for you. Like, two. And both of the two, no matter what, you're going to have a great future with. No matter what.
When I go to make friendship deeply, my family get married. My family is middle of my relationship. Okay.
And
so
actually,
we feel that. Trust me.
Going off
in Bahamas being like this, that's all I see with the sun with your kids. So honestly, I see like some good luck coming your way.
Oh my god! You know, I'm really so disappeared by both of your love. I'm really disappeared already. You know, it's okay, but you are already saying about my love, about my future, about my past, what is my barrier, what is my problem, completely same. There's no difference. There's no change. I'm really so astonished. How did you say it is? How expert you are. You're reading completely 100% about my journey, about my love, about my future, children, grandchildren, everything. What is I want? Oh my goodness.
I see a lot of money with you too.
Yeah, this is.
I don't know why, but I'm just letting you know. Like the moment I see like money symbols, like, oh yeah, Mindy wants a reading too. She's ready.
I would have lots of money.
I'm getting that.
I don't think in the next 10 years, I think it's going to be like this a little bit, like where it's going to be like a bit up, and then in 10 years from now, it's going to be like,
I see a lot of abundance with you as well.
And I see, I'm going to be honest with you, and this will affect your life too, but I'm just letting you know this. I see you being a great father.
I actually was getting that too.
I was seeing
Ethereal. So I'm gonna be a great father.
Yeah, I can see that.
You're gonna have. I think you're gonna have at least 3 kids. Personally, I think at least 3. I think 4 maybe. I think the third. I'm not gonna like say this is for sure or not, but I see one of the kids. I think it might be the third or the fourth is gonna be like multi-millionaire, like brains, like
I'm seeing
goes far in life. Like I do see a lot of like abundance and money in your future, and I'm not saying that's just. I see that with you too, but I see a lot of that in your children too. So I do see like this almost like this carrying on in the new generation.
And
like when you look at him, you can see it.
Tell.
Yeah. So I do 100% see it.
I'm losing everything. You are talking about myself.
Does your family have any twins? Like any twins?
What?
Okay, I'm just saying.
Oh my goodness. What have you been saying? Oh my goodness.
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, that's what I'm just saying.
Wait. Hold on.
Aw.
How did you say in my family I have a twin brother?
I knew it. I could tell. I had a vibe. I promise you, I'm not just like, I'm not searching you up. I promise you right away, I had a vibe. You're gonna have twins.
Yeah, they'll definitely be
you're gonna have a pair of twins, kids.
It might not be
That's what I'm saying. Child, like it's not gonna be your first child. It's gonna be either the second, third, or the third and the fourth.
Yeah,
you're gonna have twins.
100%. It gonna be the first child twin or the second time twin.
Exactly.
What do you think?
It's gonna be either your third or fourth child or your second or third child, and you're gonna have them 2 at once. Your first child will just be 1.
Oh, first
it'll just be 1. So
okay.
The first child you'll have will just be 1. I think by the second you'll have 2.
The second's more likely to be twins. Yeah.
Yeah.
How did you read it, really? Oh goodness, I can't forget you. You come over in Bangladesh, or
no.
Please wait for my time. I wanted to meet you. Anyway, I wanted to meet you.
Yes, we will meet. No, not just me. I will be at your wedding. We will both be at your wedding, and we will be there and watch you and your wife get married, and we'll see the kids. I want to see. Yes, there we go. Woo!
Oh, here we go. So, really, so when I will get married, I will invite you before getting this engagement. So, do you want to come over in Bangladesh on my wedding ceremony?
Yes. I'll speak at the ceremony for you.
Oh, it's
That'd be so much fun.
It's real. Please don't forget me. Don't forget me. I am really
never.
Don't forget me. I'm being spoiled by your reading, by your love. So appreciated for your ancestor. Your ancestor was also a astrologer like you. They can read. They read also just like yours. Oh, so with the inherited, you people just got this reading spiritual fact.
It's inherited.
So I think you given me a lots of lesson for my life. I've already got from you that I ever expected is, and hopefully I will see you once again on another time. Thank you so much, my dear. Ethereal. Love you both.
We'll see you soon. Love you both.
Love you too.
Love you so much. I said both, but love you so much.